Ready to elevate your Capcut PC video edits from amateur to awesome with seamless fade transitions. First, import your video clip into Capcut and drag it onto the timeline. Next, navigate to the Transitions tab located in the top left corner of the Capcut interface. Here, you'll find a variety of transition effects for a simple fade. Type fade and select Fade In Out. Now drag the Fade In Out transition effect onto the very beginning of your video clip to create a fade-in effect. Repeat the process, dragging the same Fade In Out transition to the very end of your video clip for a fade-out effect. To adjust the speed of the fade, click on the transition on the timeline. You can then drag the edges of the transition to lengthen or shorten its duration. A longer duration creates a slower, more gradual fade. Preview your video to see the fade-in and fade-out effects in action. Make any necessary adjustments to the duration until you're satisfied with the smoothness of the transitions. Feel free to experiment with other transition effects in Capcut to find the perfect style for your video. Don't be afraid to mix and match. Once you're happy with your edits, click the Export button to save your video. Choose your desired resolution, frame rate, and file name, and you're all set. And that's it. You've successfully added smooth fade-in and fade-out transitions to your video in Capcut PC. Be sure to like this video, subscribe for more Capcut tutorials, and leave a comment below with any questions you have.